Hello students, this video is the continuation of the chapter reproduction, what is going on in class 10. So in today's video I am going to make you understand about the male reproductive system. इस system में हम different organs का structure और functions जानेंगे. Not only this, I would request you to watch this video till the end. It is going to help you to solve all questions related to this topic. In my last video, I have made you understand about this male and female and this secondary sexual characters, secondary sexual organs, primary organs, their functions. These all topics I have already covered in my last video. So I'm sure if you have watched that video, this video will become easy for you to understand. अगर आपने वो लास्ट वीडियो देखा होगा तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही ईजी हो जाएगा समझने के लिए. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट at last of this video I'm going to ask some questions just to see, to analyze yourself. You can, आप खुद में एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि आपने अगर इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से देखा है तो आप वो सारे क्वेश्चंस जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी वो आप उसे सॉल्व कर पाएंगे, जरूर कर पाएंगे. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस system, male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, first of all I'm going to write the organs which are involved in this system. These organs are testis, scrotum, or you can say scrotal bag also, epididymis, and then after epididymis there are vas deferens or sperm duct, or what we can say sperm duct. Then after it urethra, which is the common passage for urine as well as for semen, and the last one is penis. Some glands are associated with this system. You know, some glands are also associated. They are not directly involved. ये डायरेक्टली इस सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, लेकिन इनका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ये प्ले करते हैं. वो रोल क्या है और वो ग्लैंड्स कौन से हैं? these glands are seminal vesicle. What is that? Seminal vesicle, prostate. What is this? Prostate gland and Cowper's gland. And what is there? Cowper's gland. So these are the organs which are found in male reproductive system. So let us go through their structure and different function of these organs. See, first of all we need to speak, or we need to know about testis. There are two testes found in male reproductive system. Two testes are there. What is their function? Their function I'll explain. First of all, go through the different parts. This is the testis, and this what is urethra or sperm duct. You can say this is what the sperm duct, or yes, vas deferens. Then lastly there is a structure. There is a structure which is known as the ejaculatory part. The ejaculatory part of this structure called penis. And this is urethra. And these testes are located inside the scrotal bag. This scrotal bag is one only in which both the testes are found. Okay, so let us start this structure completely and their function. First is what? Testis. The first is testis. Testes are two in number, located in scrotal bag, and they have two very important role in this system. The first is formation of gametes, that is what? Sperm. And this process is called spermatogenesis. Formation of sperm means spermatogenesis. And second important part is the secretion of hormone. What is the name of hormone? Testosterone. Name of hormone is testosterone. You know, testis, ovary, pancreas, these are the glands. They are called heterocrine glands. What they are called? Heterocrine glands. Why they are called heterocrine? Because they act not only like exocrine but also endocrine. So both the functions are there in these three glands. So they are named heterocrine glands. What they are named? Heterocrine glands. By the formation of sperm, it acts like exocrine, and by the secretion of hormones, it acts like endocrine gland. So they are named heterocrine glands. See what happened. This testis, if we go through the structure of testis, the structure of testis is like I have already told you, oval in shape. If we go through the cross section of this structure, you know there are packing tissues found in testis, packing tissues, and some coil structure, tubular structures are also found. These tubular structures are, and these are packing tissues. These tubular structures are called seminiferous tubule. What they are called? They are called seminiferous tubules. Yes. And what is their function? Their function is the formation of sperm. Seminiferous tubules form sperm, and these are cells, Leyding, leading cells. These leading cells are responsible for the secretion of hormone. What is that hormone? Testosterone. It's okay. And this sperm is gamete, helpful in fertilization, takes part in the process of fertilization and the formation of zygote. And leading cells, what I am talking about, leading cells का काम है हार्मोन को सिक्रीट करना. उस हार्मोन का नाम है टेस्टोस्टेरोन, जो कि सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. मैं एक बार फिर से कहूँगी, आप मेरा लास्ट वीडियो देखिए, उसमें मैंने इसके बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया है. So this is what the testis structure, and this is what the function of testis. Now scrotal bag. The scrotal bag is located, as I have told you, it is located outside the body, hanging like structure in which testes are found. Why they are below the abdominal cavity? Why they are outside the body portion? It is just because the temperature of scrotal bag is lower, 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. It is lower than your body temperature, so that the sperm can be alive. At the high temperature, sperm may become inactive or may not be alive. That is why the testis is found in scrotal bag, whose temperature is below than your body temperature. This is what the scrotal bag. Now what is there? Now the third one is sperm duct. What is that? Sperm duct. When the testis is formed, it goes to sperm duct. It goes to sperm duct. But do you know, this testis, what is formed sperm. The sperm which is formed in this testis, they are very simple structure, having a oval shaped nucleus is there, and cytoplasm. That's all. So they are not immature. Then they go and get stored in the structure which is right above the testis, called epididymis. There they go and store for a while. यहाँ ये कुछ समय के लिए स्टोर होते हैं और यहीं इनका मैचुरेशन होता है. Here only they mature. यही ये मैच्योर करते हैं. जब इनका मैचुरेशन हो जाता है तो इनका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा नहीं रहता है. फिर इनका स्ट्रक्चर बिल्कुल नेक रीजन एंड देन टेल रीजन, लाइक दिस दे लुक, एंड दे मूव टूवर्ड्स द स्पर्म डक्ट. ये स्पर्म डक्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, वास डिफरेंस में होते हुए ये इन्हें यूरेथ्रा तक आना है. For at the time of ejaculation, for the process of fertilization. But at the time of coming down, exactly here, we can say that there are some glands found. Exactly here, these 3 glands are found. 3 glands are found. What is the name? This is seminal vesicle, this is prostate, and this is what? Copper's gland. This is what? Copper's gland. Seminal vesicle, prostate, and Copper's gland. These 3 glands are found here, and you know they secrete a secretion, milky white fluid, which are very important because it provides nutrition to the sperm. Sperm is a cell, it needs nutrition. They provide a medium to move very fast, to go towards the female reproductive part and to the ova for the process of fertilization. Third thing is there, they also nutrition, energy, medium, and they provide lubricacy at the time of copulation. ये lubricacy भी provide करते हैं at the time of copulation to lessen the friction को घटाने के लिए. Then as they are secreted by these 3 glands, then this sperm which are produced by the testis, these sperms get mixed with these secretions. These sperm mix with these secretions and they get down towards the urethra. Urethra is the common passage for urine as well as semen. Okay, as well as semen. So acidic, one more function is there for of this fluid, that it converts the acidic medium into alkaline. Acidic medium into alkaline of the reproductive part. It's okay. So it reaches here by mixing with this fluid, and when they get mixed they are called semen. This fluid is called semen. Means we can define, no, it is a milky fluid consisting sperm which provides nourishment, medium, energy, lubricacy and conversion of acidic medium into alkaline, and then these semen are ejaculated by the last part, that is called penis, which is the part called which takes direct involvement, which has direct involvement in reproduction, in the process of copulation, and from here only this semen is released to the female reproductive part. I hope you understand the structure and function of this male reproductive system. But when we are talking about male reproductive system, we need to know the structure and function of sperm. The structure of sperm, if we go through properly, if we see properly, the sperm structure is like this. They have a neck region. This is what the neck region, this is what the neck region, where you know, and this part is head region. This is what head, this is what neck, and this is what tail. What is that? Tail. These are the three regions found in semen. This head part is known as acrosome. What it is called? Acrosome. And you know, tail is responsible for the movement. And this neck is having mitochondria. Neck region में mitochondria पाया जाता है, जो कि continuous lots of energy provide करता है sperm को for the fast movement towards the female reproductive part, and to go up to the fallopian tube for the process of fertilization. So this is what mitochondria found in the neck region, and this is acrosome near the head region. It is called acrosome. What is the function of this acrosome? Acrosome is helpful at the time of fertilization. It goes and it releases an enzyme to degenerate the external part of ova. ये एक एंजाइम रिलीज करता है जिसके कारण ओवा का जो एक्सटर्नल पार्ट है वो डिजेनरेट करता है और हेड पार्ट जो है वो ओवा में एंट्री करता है और फिर फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होता है. So I hope you people understood this whole male reproductive system, the structure of the sperm. So let us start. This is what the question time. My first question is, what are the major role, or what is the major role of testis? What do you mean by gametogenesis? What is this spermatogenesis? Why testis is called heterocrine gland? It's okay. What is the function of scrotal bag? Where do the sperm get stored for a while? Where do the sperm matures? It's okay. And what is the common passage of urine and semen? What do you mean by semen? What are the functions of the fluid secreted by these associated glands? And what is the structure and function of the sperm? If I start asking, there are lots of questions to ask. बहुत सारे questions हो जाएंगे आपसे पूछने के लिए, लेकिन आप जब इस system के through जाएंगे तो I am sure that you will be able to reply all answers. Thank you all of you.